My dear students, from today onwards, we are going to solve MCQ questions on accountancy CBSE syllabus plus one standard. The question number 1. Pick the odd one out. There are 4 answers are given: the bank loan, creditors, cash at bank and bills payable. So bank loan is a liability, creditors is also a liability, cash at bank it is an asset, bills payable it is a liability. So odd one out is the cash at bank is the correct answer. The question number 2. Pick the odd one out. Cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, creditors. Cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors all are assets, whereas the creditor is a liability. So the odd one out is option D is the correct answer, creditors. Question number 3. Consider the following points with respect to the step of accounting. Identification of business transaction. Number 2, recording of transaction into journal. And then 3rd, posting the transaction into ledger. 4th, paying salary to the accountant. Identify the correct statement. Here 1 is only, and then B 1 and 2 only, C 1 and 2 and 3rd only, D 1, 2, 3rd and 4 only. You can observe the points given in the question. Identification of business transaction, that is the first step. And then we have to record the transaction into journal. And then the posting of the transaction into ledger, that is also, with respect to the step of accounting. So all the 3 are important. So first and second and third are the answer. So C is the correct answer. Option C is correct. And then question number 4. Consider the following statements with regard to the advantages of accounting. Advantages of accounting is different from object of accounting. So here advantage of accounting. So easy availability of information, and then financial accounting shows the exact worth of business. It identifies strength and weakness of the business, and then it enables comparison between 2 different periods and between similar companies. So here please look into the first point, easy availability of information. That is correct. And then the financial accounting shows, but it is entirely different. We are talking about only accounting, not financial accounting. It is irrelevant. You can leave it. And then 3rd, it identifies strength and weaknesses of the business. It is also correct. And then it enables comparison between 2 different periods and between similar companies. That is also correct. So first, 3rd and 4th is the correct. That is a combination, correct combination. So answer C is the correct answer. Option C is correct. And then question number 5. Which is the first step of accounting process? Actually journalizing, and then ledger posting, and then trial balance, and then trading account, profit and loss account, like that. Here the 4 options are given. The first one is journalizing. We all know that journalizing is the first step of accounting process. Okay, we can correct it. A is the correct answer. And then which of the last step of accounting as a process of information? We all know the definition of accounting. Accounting is nothing but the recording, classifying, analyzing, interpreting and communicating the result thereof. So communicating the result thereof is the last step of accounting in the process of information. So option B, that is communicating the result, is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an objective of accounting? Not an objective or advantages, it is different. Here, which is not an objectives of accounting? The first answer is the maintaining records. It is an objective. Estimating the profit and loss account, it is an objective. Providing useful information to various users, it is also an objective. Recording all the qualitative factors, it is not an objective. Normally, we are recording only quantitative factors, not qualitative factors. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following can be converted into cash within a short period of time? There are 4 answers: fixed assets, liquid assets, current assets, intangible assets. Fixed assets, it is asset for a long period. Asset which will earn for the company for a long period. Liquid asset, it is asset which can be converted into cash easily. So here the following can be converted into cash, that is liquid asset is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is an advantages of accounting? That is question number 9. Here it is asking the advantages of accounting. Maintaining records, it is an objective. Presenting the financial position, estimating the profit and loss account, it is a characteristics of accounting. And then advantage, It can be used as an evidence in the court of law. So D must be the answer. D is correct. Question number 10. Which of the following limitations is connected with the manipulation of accounting? Manipulation means that the entrepreneur has to make some adjustment in order to get bank loan, etc. The accounts will be manipulated. It is otherwise known as window dressing. That is a problem of window dressing. So, manipulation of accounting is nothing but the problem of window dressing. The answer A is the correct answer. Option A is correct. Branches are sub-discipline of accounting. There are several disciplines of accounting, branches of accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. Here only financial accounting and then management accounting, both A and B are given, and then D is none. Here we have to say that both A and B, that is financial accounting and management accounting, that is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. And then question number 12. Which accounting helps to ascertain the cost of production and to provide useful costing information to the management for decision making? Regarding cost, in order to control cost, in order to reduce the cost, who is responsible? The cost accountant is responsible. So, the management accountant or cost accountant are both A and B. Here, cost accountant, that is B, is the correct answer. And then question number 13. The main task of which accounting is to find out the financial position of the business? The financial accounting, B, cost accounting, C, both A and B. Here, what is asking? The main task of which accounting? Which accounting? Actually, the task of financial accounting is to find out the financial position of the business. So, financial accounting is the correct answer. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which of the following is not an internal users of financial accounting? There are two types of users, internal and external. Here, internal user means all the users within that organization. For example, from the MD and then chairman level to the least subordinates. So here, the chief executive officer, that is an internal user. Financial officer, financial manager, he is an internal user. Employee, it is an internal user. What is asked in the question? Who is not internal users? That is a potential investors. He is potential investor, it is outsider, so he is not an internal user of financial accounting. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following is an area of interest for management while using accounting information? Area of interest for management. Actually, the management has to think. The management is in a position to understand the long-term and short-term solvency. Will be concentrated only long-term and short-term solvency. That is going concern concept. Every enterprises will be, starting the business with the assumption that it will exist for lifelong. So, long-term and short-term solvency is the correct answer. So, option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which of the following is an area of interest for creditors while using accounting information? For example, if any creditors wants to give any loan to the enterprises, it will concentrate only on profitability. Only if there is a profitability, they will be confident that the amount given as a loan will be reimbursed. So, profitability is the correct answer. So, option A is the correct. Which of the following is an area of interest for regulatory agencies? Regulatory agencies means Custom Duty Department, Excise Duty Department, Income Tax Department, Government Vigilance. So these are the regulatory agencies. They will concentrate only if anybody tax evaded, if anybody evades the tax. So they will take actions because they will estimate the national income. So the answer, the first one is profitability in relation to the turnover. It is irrelevant, and then growth potential, it is irrelevant. Estimating, as far as regulatory agency is concerned, it will concentrate only about the collection of amount in order to increase the national income. So, estimating the national income is the correct answer. And then question number 18. Which of the following is not an example of current liability? For example, creditors, it is a liability. Current liability. Bank overdraft, it is a current liability. Bills payable, it is a current liability. But bills receivable, it is an asset. But here, bills receivable discounted from the bank. So, that amount is collected. So, it is not a liability. So, here, what is not an example of current liability? So, bills receivable discount from bank, it is not an example of current liability. So, option D is the correct answer.